What's up, guys? Joe from the AZ Westside Wheelers here. Today we are here with part install number 2 on the ZJ tune-up series. This is a 5.2 liter Magnum. We've been trying to fix a rough idle situation on it, and we're just kind of going through and doing a basic tune-up. So today we are doing a breather filter. This is Duralast BF618DL. Basically, this is a little secondary filter. Comes from your air filter breather box over to the top of your valve cover. Right in there. Basically, you'll just reach in, pop that sucker off. You have to work it kind of back and forth. Pull that. See if we can get this. There we go. Ooh, wow. Okay, so what I do know, see all this oil and residue? If I were to weigh the difference, this thing weighs a couple of grams. This thing weighs like a pound. So there's a lot of junk. Look inside there. Can you get in there? Now look at this one. Brand new, nice filter inside. Okay, this thing is so heavy. That's the first thing I noticed instantly, was this thing's crazy heavy. So that thing is not letting you breathe correctly. Pop this new one on. I bet you this 5.2 runs a little better. It might not fix our rough idle, but this stuff is cheap. I think this thing was $5.99. So let's put this in. Let's take a little of this nasty oil just to help lubricate the outside. Oh, wow. Okay, so it's gonna take some effort, no lie. Took a little work to get it in there, but we did it. Now, let's see here. Okay. We got her worked back on there. Breather seems to be good. Now, one thing I didn't mention before I slapped it in, but I did personally, was to double check that this is the exact same as the one you just put in. And it was. They looked identical. So, now, let's fire this Jeep up and see if it helped with our rough idle. So it seems my suspicions were correct. That was not quite our issue, but again, as nasty as that thing was, that cannot be good for your vehicle. Jeep, any kind of vehicle, these kind of things need to be maintained. So that's part number 2. Stick around, we got a lot more parts to throw at this thing. None of them are very expensive. We're not going super high end, so we're gonna try and keep this on the budget end, budget friendly, and just do a really good mechanical tune-up on this Jeep. So please give us a good thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Stick around for more parts videos. We got lots of stuff in store for you. We appreciate it. Leave a comment below if you think you know exactly what is wrong with this thing and why it has that rough idle when I put it into drive or reverse, but neutral seems to be less of a rough idle. What do you think it is? Throttle position sensor, idle air control? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks, guys.